Ever wondered how AI can revolutionize home and office design? Well, it's not as far-fetched as it sounds. By analyzing your unique preferences, AI can suggest a variety of design styles, color schemes, and even furniture arrangements that align with your tastes. It goes beyond just aesthetics, offering layout optimization based on room dimensions and your personal preferences, maximizing space utilization and flow. But that's not all. AI can recommend materials, textures, and furnishings that not only match your chosen style, but also fit within your budget. It's like having a personal shopper for your home or office design with a keen eye for detail and an understanding of your style. And the cherry on top? AI can generate realistic 3D visualization of your design spaces, allowing you to see the final outcome even before you've started. Imagine having a personal interior designer available 24/7 that knows your taste inside and out. That's what AI brings to the table. But AI doesn't stop at your front door. It extends its capabilities to exterior design and outdoor spaces too. Imagine a world where AI can suggest architectural styles that match not only your property's characteristics, but also your personal preferences. Or how about generating facade designs, taking into consideration the right materials, colors, and layouts that make your property stand out? That's not all. AI can also integrate landscaping ideas that enhance the exterior aesthetics and functionality of your space. Moving to outdoor spaces, AI takes on a new role. It creates landscaping plans, including the types of plants, hardscape features, and outdoor structures that best fit your space. It recommends plants that thrive in your local climate and soil conditions. It can even suggest outdoor furniture and design lighting arrangements to enhance the aesthetics, safety, and functionality of your space. Moreover, AI adapts designs for seasonal variations, keeping your outdoor spaces stunning year-round. With AI, the exterior of your home or office can be as stunning and functional as the interior. And so how does AI pull off these design miracles? Well, it's all about the power of its techniques. Generative design algorithms churn out a multitude of design variations based on your inputs. Picture this: you feed in your room dimensions and style preferences, and voila, multiple layouts are served up for your choosing. Then there's image recognition, which can identify design elements and patterns from images. This means if you spot a design you love, AI can help you recreate or modify it. AI's ability to understand and interpret your descriptions and preferences is down to something called natural language processing. And let's not forget machine learning, the secret sauce that allows AI to learn from your interactions and feedback, continuously refining those design recommendations. The benefits: time and cost savings, personalization, and the freedom to virtually explore different styles and concepts. Embrace the future of design. Explore AI-powered design tools today and bring your dream spaces to life.